Blessed love my people, big up on yourself. So first thing, me have to big up at the Gleaner Company and the Jamaica Star Online for the footage. But you don't know, as the Emperor publicist, me have to upload it. You see me I say? So Sandra from Rosemary Lane, you see me get burnout from August 2023. You don't know the Emperor have to step in. You see me I say, people, the man donate £100 of rice, £100 of flour, £100 of sugar, 100 water, 100 mackerel, new fridge, and money. So people, just check out the video. Big up on yourself. Bless.
Sandra, LLOs, the social network god. I'm the biggest thing ever on social network. And anybody who says a lie, try prove it. Google it and you'll find out.
What does Mother's Day be like for you? I don't know yet. Don't come here to can't talk about the day. Don't have yet going to make a good Mother's Day for me.
Yeah, but kick it off.
Yes, you give me a good start. Because first thing, that's wonder where the food are coming from.
I have £100 of flour, £100 of rice, £100 of sugar. We buy the water for the local youth them, and 100 mackerel, you understand? So, I go carry meat kind, but I don't even know if you have a fridge.
No.
So like when you have a fridge, we have to plan for buy a fridge.
But I see all the while from my phone, but first never seen a real life.
Yeah. So, Mama, so, how far you live?
That's why I said that.
No, you want to?
Yeah, right, that's what
Alright, so you want to go on now. What heap of things we carry for you, Mama? How much grand fitness you have? What name Wally?
No, crowded.
Crowded. Alright, so what I do now, I carry over 1 month and a half supply with the food for you. You understand? £100 rice, £100 flour, 100 mackerel, you understand? And I have some whole heap of money for you, you understand? And the Maroon government, man, they are the emperor. You understand? I don't know about call up the mayor, because I know I'm a good friend, so the mayor knows also the circle in a minute now too.
Yes.
That's because from me, there's a poor people that want and in need, you understand? The emperor of the turn. Don't worry yourself, man. So, going on the phone, I want to see if I can take us my things. We have a whole heap of water, so you can pick them up flat food. Mama, I don't know. We have help to carry them things about a whole heap, mama. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Come in, mama. Come show us shot today. Yeah.
I remember turn your name into a celebrity. I went to one name. No long me I suffer my youth.
Yeah, but in a sir?
Yeah.
What we get now? Whenever we're in a trouble, we just call for the emperor, but the emperor will go there. Gosh. Ooh. No, sir. And this name burnout. As you can see, big up the Gleaner Company, because the Gleaner Company, when I'm here about it, them say emperor, we have to come cover if you make the lady get a bus. So see the people. So how long you burn out now, man?
9 months.
9 months now. So long, man. Until next time, when you in them trouble, you call me.
I never know I could call and get it now.
Nah, man, I know people check so them can't call, man. If you call the emperor, yeah, son. So, you see there now?
Yes, the kids are there.
Yeah, man.
Come in here.
Oh, I want kids. Yeah, man. There you go. We're going to pick them now, right? Yeah, man, I know the emperor already. All of my fans are worldwide. We have to build back the boss lady. Yeah, son. How about you out?
Okay.
Yeah, man, so 9 months now you born out, mama?
Yes,
Yeah, man. Alright. By now and next week, we're going to turn up the things here, because I don't know anyway the emperor and January no more reincarnate, so anything I tell us is a server. You understand? Yeah, man, so don't worry yourself. So help out come here from all over the world. So, because I got Big D, I got Ragarugi them, I got Luco John them, Wapademos, and all of the Maroon government from all over the world. Yes, and plus, we're going to see if Andrew Wallace can chip in, although I don't think constituency, but I think country. I will say man going to chip in too.
In my name, my MP give me some things to him, say I want man to come billion, so the man called me out today.
Yes. So what the MP the name?
I think I don't know about it.
Tell me how you learn about her case and the inspiration behind you donating today.
Well, you know, say, when me look at me say, it's a mother again. You understand? I know some Mother's Day come up again. So they say, I fear Mother's Day present this may come here. But otherwise from that, you know, say the emperor, I'm always donating to the poor people, and I'm always helping the less fortunate, you understand? And I'm always helping the street people and everything overall. So this is just one more day for the emperor. This is what I do all the while. You understand? I give away millions of dollars all over the island, help out the poor people. And so, Mama, we love you. Sit down for your bed too, because I don't know. You can say the emperor, they sit down for the bed too.
Yeah. Hey,
love you, man.
Love you, man. I say all the while, I see you. I say, I want to the man here.
Yeah.
Because I love your mouth.
And you say, oh, God answer prayer.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah. Sandra Shepherd. So how much grandpitney you have now with you?
Now about 7 of them in right now, but about 18 of them I have.
Yeah. And you know, say, number 7,
A
perfect number.
Perfect.
And I mean them call the 7-star general also, the 7-star emperor. You understand? So, boy, I mean I know, Mama. So people, if they watch, you know, you understand, Mama, because you know, if they watch, this is what we call now real love, real help. Because see there,
Caring and
sharing, because if rain fall right now, no, Mama in a problem because it is a chop all in Mama have. So people, they ask, you know, Mama, you can't give them a number that them can call.
298
298 yeah
54.
0954.
Yes.
Miss Sandra Shepherd.
Yes.
When you get burnout, Miss Sandra?
On the 24th of August 2023, one morning about 2 o'clock I hear my half-brother call. I said, Sandra, come here. I said, what? And when I look outside, I said, Smoker, come out here and look back in the corner there. And I said, somebody threw something like a bucket torch in my house 2 times. And the first one never blew up, but the second one blew up. I beat time, if we wake up one and need to run out, it just end goal.
So yeah, that's everything.
Everything has changed, so them clean out the house in the bed, them stay same like you see them have to burn. The fridge them, the TV them upon the wall. Oh God, I say nothing one time.
So how have you been living since? I noticed you have a little tent.
Since for the 9 months is so. For the 9 months is so. No more. We couldn't get place to go, but we decided so we're not leaving no one another. Because we are a true family.
Yes.
They hear me name Shepherd. So those are my sheep. I couldn't run and leave them.
And who you live?
Me and my kids and my grandkids.
So
This is my
how many persons?
Alright, this is about 18 of us. This is my father's place where I'm there deep and get me. I have the land type, I have everything. So we decide we're not running. If they're born old people run, we're not run. We're going to build back.
True.
With the help of other people, we're going to build back.
The emperor there now.
Yes.
What are nights like for you?
Oh my God. The only thing I'm telling you when I come, I have a little fear. But you know, you put fear behind me. I don't pray for the most.
Mosquitoes.
Mosquito? I'm not feeling a mosquito. I have a problem put on my foot and run them away. But I don't fear people with a fear mosquito. Because mosquito nowadays, people will kill you. Because if you call them through the back of the tree now, they will kill the same way. And grace and God.
Yeah.
They could get you and nobody not get you, but thankfully to God. They burn out the furniture, burn out everything we have, but none of them never get burned. And the greatest part of it, and I love them same way. Not yet.
And when the rain fall, you had a problem.
Oh, Jesus. So I'm not when the rain never say we're not doing it now. And 9 months now, I'm not close the door now. I was drawing a window now.
Yeah.
And I remember Mother's Day I come up, I go to church and come back, I go on the window and I do it for that same way now.
Yeah.
But I still give thanks.
Yeah.
Because there is life, there is hope. Because I mean, dead and gone, I couldn't say no.
No, you would see it.
Certain things will not happen. So everything can come back, and everything can come back bigger and better.
And everyone is still at the same location?
Yes. Everyone at the same.
How big was the house?
We have 6 rooms right here, which two rooms, and we have 3 across the road. The MP give us some material because we want to come up for the party here. That's him can finish.
So it was a 6-bedroom?
6 bedrooms, but the
overall
party is not 2 rooms. Yes. So we are trying to build a structure over there so that we can come over from here. So and when the rain fall, it's not nice. Can you see? That those are we makeshift boats. We put the things we put it because when the rain fall and the water run. I can remember the water run. We try to put a barrier right there, but you know, so when the water constantly run, it can pass over. Sometimes it blow in and wet up the things. So when sun come out now, we just have to take the baskets and carry the boats into the sun and spread them out and repack.
Elia Lewis has came to your rescue. Talk to us about the
Yes,
feelings.
L.A. Lewis is one of my biggest rescue. One of the man I always say I want to talk to. So you see, sometimes we say things happen for bad, but sometimes good in it. Because this is something good, because I see L.A. all the while and always I say, no, so I want to see that man in real life.
Emperor.
I want to do that man because I like him talk. I don't sugarcoat things. I watch him on the on my bed. The man up on my bed.
Yeah, the your shoulder.
And have him hand over my shoulder and his face near to my one. Hey!
Yeah.
Who could it be but the most high God?
Yeah.
What does Mother's Day be like for you?
I don't know yet, I don't come here to can't talk about the day they don't have yet, but it make a good Mother's Day for me.
Yeah, but kick it off.
Yes. It give me a good start. Because first thing, that's the one that where the food are coming from. And the money. I see me get it.
You get
I
one,
know
over,
say.
look a bit over 1 month.
Jesus.
What a supply. 500 pound of flour, 100 pound of rice, 100 pound of sugar. We buy the water for the local youth them and 100 mackerel, you understand? So, me go carry meat kind, but I don't even know if you have a fridge.
No.
So like how you have a fridge, we have to plan for buy a fridge.
I think this have done a great deal. I don't can't believe it.
Yeah man, how are they mama? And the
She
emperor
said when
man.
I hear time. We say, I tell my daughters them say sometimes some things happen in our life. I will say it's for bad. But as the time go by, we will see it it's happened for a purpose and a reason. Because there's anything in this life is for a reason and a purpose. And little by little, I say the purpose.
So in the time of the fire, how you did feel? Did you see all of this coming? Like when you...
No, I couldn't see it coming because I well asleep, you know. When I go to bed, when I go to sleep, I no joke. When I go to sleep, I go to sleep. I no joke. Probably if I never call me, I only even know say fire till they start, I feel the heat or the smoke.
So when you see you lose everything, how you feel? You know what I mean?
I don't know, I can't tell how me they feel. Probably if it's similar day when it happened, I not tell you, but it passed already. I'm not to like the past thing.
Yeah.
Not deal with the present. The past not nice, but the present look like it wonderful.